texture. Usually with this being my favorite texture, the texture is normally pretty straight. So in my mind, I'm like, okay, it's not going to hold the curl because number one, the hair is so straight. However, I think what helps with holding the curl in this hair is the density. I do feel like the curls will eventually fall, but it's definitely not going to fall into like a straight state. Just to give you guys a quick rundown, this is a 13x6 deep parting lace frontal wig. The density is 150%. The length is 20 inches with a removable elastic band. However, I take mine off and apply my own, or I may not apply one at all. So if you're not familiar with installing an elastic band, thank God this company provides one, so you don't even have to worry about that. What else is on here? This is an invisible Swiss lace with clean bleached knots. Now I will say this, the knots did come bleached on this wig. Did want to go in and bleach the knots for a couple of minutes because I did see some little areas where you could see the little black dots, but it wasn't really a big deal. But because I wanted that super blended look, I went in and bleached the knots just a little bit, 5-10 minutes, nothing long, because the knots were already bleached. Lace on this wig is everything. A lace on your wig can make or break your look, and it can also make you very frustrated if your lace is just not up to par. This hairline did not come pre-plucked, but honey, because the knots were bleached so well, I honestly did not have to go in and bleach. I honestly did not have to go in a whole lot and pluck the hairline. Really, I didn't even have to, but I did just because I didn't want to get on camera and got to doing baby hairs and notice that it wasn't really giving the scalp effect like I like it. So that's why I really went on ahead and plucked the hairline. But because of the look that I was going for in this video, it ended up working out very, very well. Because the majority of the hairline is covered anyways. I need to make sure this hair is not giving off like a boxy look, because like that's not the look that I'm going for. I had no idea this hair would curl as good as it did. I don't know if like my other wigs will curl like this. I'll try it like on my next install or whatever, but this will definitely be a wig that will remain in my stash because I know that this wig will hold a curl very well, especially like when it comes to like the Kim K curls like this. I always want for my Kim K curls to have volume, and I usually would have to like tease the hair and fluff it up to have it get big like this, especially like around my face, because I do have like a bigger face, and I feel like curls, especially curls that come out towards my face, will help with making my face appear a little smaller. So yeah, really good quality wig, really good quality wig. I must say this is probably one of the best wigs that I have gotten from like ever, and I have collaborated with them a couple of times in the past, but I have to say this is probably one of their best wigs I have ever installed from them, because the lace is amazing. The hair texture, of course, is already a given. Like that's amazing. The simple fact that it can hold curls, of course you can straighten the hair, and then the simple fact that this wig is on the thicker, fuller side, and it still has body, it still has movement, girl. And the simple fact that I sprayed the hell out of it. Now that may also contribute to the curls being able to hold as well. I did go in with some spritz, and I did go in with some Got To Be glue hairspray. Hopefully you guys will purchase this wig and fall in love with it as much as I am in love with it. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.